integrated like two strategies now: ICC simplest form, SMC, that is occasionally, and I still put a little bit of ICT, like the knowledge I've gathered over the years. The major template is ICC, track my eyes and do. And okay, I say, okay, fine. I don't want to disturb my head. So when it gets time to execute, I apply one or two. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you trend. I'm going to be teaching you type of trend. So stick to the end and watch the video. Let me take it myself first. We have supply and demand. That's just sort of it. Major base drop if it is downtrend, and rally base rally if it's uptrend. Also, there is the support and resistance. That one is common too. So without any delay, let's get into chart. So this is what my chart looks like basically. And as you can see, this is one of the things that I used to keep myself to regulate my nervous system. You know, I don't enter trade to prove. I enter trade when I'm aligned, keep me calm most of the time. I'm gonna do a recap of how you can use ICC strategy and other strategies too. This one's still going. But I'm out of the trade already. Let's get into it. So now looking at this one, I can see imbalance here some days ago. And one thing about margin ICT with all these strategies is that ICT makes me know that this whole movement from here to here is displacement, and this is external liquidity. From this fair value gap to balance it, those are the internal liquidity. So if we come here, we can go back up, or come to seek this external liquidity. I've already known that. Let me switch to 1 hour, which is my major. That one is all like the back is where I started from. So it's not supposed to be breaking this support. So I've seen this. I was anticipating for low, then it comes back up. Never trading low yet because it's breaking high. Never trading like sell yet. So yeah, market shift this liquidity. In SMC, we call this one institutional funding candle because it swept it. That's what he wanted to do. So after I see this shift in the market in lower time frame, then I came here to catch this move. So in ICC, this will be indication now. So all these ones are correction, and this is continuation. Market wasn't going up nor down, so I didn't trade all this place because we don't trade consolidations in ICC. You know, after this one proved to me that it wants to come back down, and I've seen this guy. Let me track it for you. Yeah. This higher low. This support. Wasn't expecting it to break this support. After I broke it, and I've seen this one that is also in micro. A micro set of this lower low and lower high. Broke this. And here we can call this place now. Call this place now. Indication, correction, and this will be continuation. So then I scale to 5 minutes to catch that move. Yeah. As you can see, after this guy broke this support, then I waited, got that move. The real reason why I'm making this video, let's get to the real reason why I'm making the video. And I'm very sure that you'll learn one or two. Let me just off this guy. 3 different types of trend. And this is gonna save you a lot of time. So if you are dealing with to be the classic supply and demand, because market gets to the supply, to the demand rather. So see, that is the supply and demand setup. Let me put it there. You can find this anywhere, higher time frame, lower time frame. Let's come for you can find it in the downtrend too. It's just you invert type of it. Let's go for the support and resistance, which is the nearest one, the one that is nearest to this guy. See, that's the classic support and resistance. Yeah, call this one support and resistance. Can you guys spot the difference now? So let's go for the last one, which is our rally based rally, because this is uptrend. It's not touching any support or any resistance. It's not supply and demand. It's not support and resistance. This is what we call. So these are the three type of trends you guys have to look for. So if you want to trade ICC in this one, you already know that this is the indication. This will be the correction and this will be the continuation. So you don't have to wait till you get to this demand. So that's why you have to go to your lower time frame to check what it's doing, if it's done. But you have to know the type of trend you're dealing with first. See, this is supply and demand. Recap how you know it's price won't go far. That is, that is supply and demand. This support and resistance, and this will be our rally based rally. I'll just delete all this one and go back to the chart. Can you guess this trend now? This right here will be our supply and demand. See, the classic supply and demand. This guy right here would have been support and resistance, but as you can see, it didn't come far. So this is our drop, rally, base, and rally. It didn't touch, so this is rally, base, rally. Also here, it's rally, base, rally. This guy right now, this drop, base, drop. I'm expecting the market to come this far. I'm just expecting, because it's giving me some sign it's gonna go far. So I'm expecting the supply and demand setup. Yeah, with this video, I'm very sure that you'll learn one or two. Also, you have to balance your feminine and masculine energy. That one is masculine and logic. I know you've heard this before, that trading is spiritual, yeah? So the masculine and the feminine energy has to be in balance, has to be in sync. You have to know your strategy when you want to get in. And where feminine energy will come in is you have to take away the certainty, because there's no certainty in this thing. In this life, there's no certainty. So you have to trust this process. So one of the things that make me conquer my own greediness and certainty is that I know I'm a good one, but what I do is that I tend to, my life basically, I tend to target within something that I can easily achieve. Like, so in a month, I'll say, let's say 400 out of 5K account, yeah. So $400 is a little to make in a month. In a week, I made 400 to pass an account one time. So I've made more than that before in a week. But controlling giddiness that time, I'd blow account back. So now I'm taking it easy, stick to the root, discipline and stuff.
Vibes on G, nobody better than me, nobody better than me. Vibes on G, nobody sicker than me, nobody hotter than me. Bum bum killer, fashion killer, old like a freezer. Bum bum ripper, call my stripper, they my dealer, and my chicas, then their niggas. Bum bum killer, fashion killer, old like a freezer. Bum bum ripper, call my stripper, they my dealer, and my chicas, then their niggas.